Have you ever wondered if your car is hiding secrets right under your nose? You know, those features you never noticed until someone points them out, and suddenly your driving life gets a whole lot easier? From gadgets that save time to clever tricks that make long drives less stressful, modern cars are packed with features most people completely ignore. In this video, we're counting down 23 hidden car features you'll regret not using sooner. Some are small conveniences that make your daily commute smoother, while others could save you money, protect your car, or even prevent accidents. Stick with me to the end, because feature number 1 is a game changer. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Number 23, automatic headlight adjustment. Most cars have headlights, sure, but did you know many modern cars can adjust their beam automatically? This isn't just for luxury vehicles. When your car detects oncoming traffic, it can lower the high beams so you don't blind other drivers, then restore them on empty roads. Many drivers miss this feature entirely, relying on manual switching. Using it not only improves safety, but also saves you the hassle of constantly adjusting your lights during night drives. Number 22, blind spot monitoring. If you've ever swerved a little too close to the car beside you, this feature could save your life. Many vehicles now include sensors that detect cars in your blind spots. When a car enters this area, a warning light appears on your side mirror, sometimes even with an audible alert. It's subtle but crucial, especially on highways. Yet, countless drivers ignore it, thinking they can always check the mirrors manually. Using blind spot monitoring can prevent accidents and boost confidence while changing lanes. Number 21, steering wheel heaters. Cold mornings are brutal, but some cars offer heated steering wheels, and they're a lifesaver. Beyond comfort, keeping your hands warm improves grip and reaction time in chilly conditions. Many people think this is just a luxury feature, but it's often overlooked. If your car has one, activate it, especially in winter. You'll notice the difference immediately. Number 20, lane keeping assist. Most modern vehicles can now detect lane markings and gently steer your car back if you start drifting. It's not a replacement for attentive driving, but it's incredibly useful on long trips or during highway fatigue. Some drivers avoid using it, thinking it feels artificial, but once you try it, you'll appreciate how much safer and less tiring your drive becomes. Number 19, adaptive cruise control. Cruising down the highway, adaptive cruise control automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe distance from the car ahead. Unlike standard cruise control, this feature reacts to traffic flow, slowing down or speeding up as needed. Drivers who ignore this often waste energy braking unnecessarily. Using adaptive cruise control reduces stress on both you and your car's brakes, and makes traffic jams far less irritating. Number 18, rear cross traffic alerts. Backing out of a tight parking spot can be tricky. Rear cross traffic alerts warn you if a car or pedestrian approaches from the side, even before you see them. Many people fail to activate this feature, assuming mirrors are enough, but it can prevent costly fender benders, especially in busy lots. Number 17, heated or ventilated seats. Most drivers think of seat heaters only for winter, but ventilated seats in summer are equally important. They push cool air through the seat, reducing sweat and keeping you comfortable on long drives. Ignoring this feature is a missed opportunity for comfort. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you survived summer commutes without it. Number 16, automatic parking assist. Parking can be stressful, but automatic parking assist takes the hassle out. Your car can detect a parking spot, steer itself, and even park in tight spaces while you control the pedals. Many drivers avoid this, thinking they're better manually, but once you try it, parallel parking becomes effortless. It's not just convenient, it prevents scrapes and dents that cost hundreds to repair. Number 15, voice commands for navigation and audio. Modern infotainment systems can respond to your voice. You can change the music, call someone, or get directions without taking your hands off the wheel. A surprising number of drivers still ignore this feature, tapping screens manually. Using voice commands is safer and keeps your focus on the road. Number 14. Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. Alerts. This one is critical for safety. TPMS alerts let you know when a tire is underinflated, which can improve fuel efficiency and prevent blowouts. Many drivers ignore these warnings until it's too late. Paying attention and acting on them can save you money on tires and avoid dangerous situations. Number 13. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Night driving behind bright headlights? Auto-dimming mirrors reduce glare automatically, improving visibility and reducing eye strain. It seems minor, but many drivers don't even realize their mirror has this feature. Using it makes night driving much more comfortable and safer. Number 12. Traffic sign recognition. Some vehicles now read speed limit signs and display them on your dashboard. Ignoring this means you could unintentionally speed. This is especially helpful on roads you don't know well. It's a feature that combines safety with convenience, and yet, so many drivers never activate it. Number 11. Rain sensing wipers. Tired of adjusting wiper speed every time it rains? Rain sensing wipers automatically detect moisture on your windshield and adjust accordingly. Many drivers forget to turn them on, manually fiddling with controls instead. Once activated, they make wet weather driving seamless. Number 10. Memory seats and mirrors. Memory settings let multiple drivers store preferred seat and mirror positions. If more than one person drives the car, this feature can save you time and hassle. Yet many ignore it, thinking it's just for luxury models. Using memory settings makes your drive instantly more comfortable and personalized. Number 9. Wireless charging pads. Many modern cars come with wireless charging pads for phones. You just place your phone down, and it charges without cables. Ignoring it is a missed convenience, especially on long trips. No more tangled cords or drained batteries while using GPS. Number 8. Automatic emergency braking, AEB. AEB can prevent collisions by automatically applying brakes if a crash is imminent. Some cars even detect pedestrians and cyclists. Drivers who don't enable this feature are missing one of the most important safety tools available. It can literally save lives. Number 7. Auto hold/hill start assist. Stuck on a steep hill? Auto hold or hill start assist keeps the car stationary while you move your foot from the brake to the accelerator. Many drivers aren't aware of this and roll backwards slightly, risking minor accidents. Using it makes hill starts effortless. Number 6. Fold flat rear seats. Many cars allow rear seats to fold completely flat, creating massive cargo space. Yet people often ignore this feature, not realizing they could transport larger items easily. It's simple, practical, and can turn your car into a mini moving van when needed. Number 5. Hidden storage compartments. Some vehicles have secret compartments under seats, in the doors, or in the trunk floor. These are perfect for valuables or emergency supplies. Many drivers overlook these spots, missing out on safer storage options that protect items from theft or clutter. Number 4. Automatic climate control. Automatic climate control adjusts temperature and fan speed to maintain your preferred cabin environment. Many drivers still fiddle with dials manually. Using this feature keeps your car comfortable with minimal effort, whether it's hot, cold, or humid outside. Number 3. Heads-up display, HUD. HUD projects speed, navigation, and warnings onto your windshield. It keeps your eyes on the road while still giving essential info. Many drivers ignore it, thinking it's a luxury gimmick. In reality, it's safer and makes driving much more intuitive. Number 2. Remote start. Remote start lets you start your car from inside your house. In winter, your car warms up before you step in. In summer, it cools down. It's a simple convenience, yet so many people drive without knowing their car can do this. Once you start using it, every morning commute feels easier. Number 1. Automatic emergency SOS and crash alerts. The ultimate feature many drivers overlook, automatic crash alerts. If your car detects a severe accident, it can automatically contact emergency services, providing your location even if you can't call. It's a feature that could save your life or someone else's. Ignoring it means missing the most important safety tool built into your car. And there you have it, 23 hidden car features you'll regret not using sooner. Some are small conveniences, others could prevent accidents or save money, but all of them make your life easier once you start using them. If you learned something new today, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, check your car. Some of these features might already be there, waiting for you to discover them.